autonomous car companies. They don't crash. People
Right.
they don't trust them all they want. And I said, well, I got a shop full of driver cars, but I don't have any driverless cars in here. That's going to affect our industry. Now, I'm old enough to where it probably won't affect me. And if you're in your 30s and 40s, you're probably going to be able to build a nice career in here. I question how that affects people later on. So the technicians, the young guys that we're bringing up, we're trying to invest as much time and training as possible on the EV front and the ADAS front, because there's always going to be a need for them to work on those systems.